Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Linksys VLOP tri-band AC4600 intelligent mesh Wi-Fi router replacement system. It's 3 packs, which has coverage up to 5,000 square feet. It says Walmart exclusive $223.59, but there was another one that's similar to this with the AC 4600, and it was $199.99. But I got this out of eBay for $110 plus $10 shipping. So with tax and everything, it's about $134 and something change. And this one is white color. It's slick, compact, and stylish. So yes, frictionless and then future-proof. Thanks to its automatic software updates, Velop keeps your Wi-Fi system secure and up to date. The mesh network also provides access to leading edge and security feature, allow you to selective block contents and even pause the internet for family time. And it also offers voice control, gives you an access to a variety of convenient voice command. For example, you can verbally turn guest Wi-Fi on or off by issuing an intuitive voice command to your virtual assistants. And this one is a pretty affordable tri-band with a nice result. So the product weighs about 6.8 pounds. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. So this was the cheapest that I found on eBay. So let's go ahead and open this up. Hopefully it's brand new. It listed as a brand new, but you never know. Sometimes the seller like to sell the open item or customer return item as a new. So I need to look in close. Make sure everything is legit. So here's the description that I just went over. So yeah, this one is the Linksys VLOP whole home Wi-Fi, up to 5,000 square feet of coverage. Coverage up to 5,000 for premium internet plans. AC 4600. Yeah, so there was another one without this mesh looking design on top for a cheaper price, $199.99 on Walmart. So I'm not sure what's the difference. So, but it is the same 4600 with the 5,000 square feet. And this one's the tri-band series. And they give you a 3 years warranty, 24/7 customer service, which is nice, and required for setup. So you need to download the app for either your iOS or your Google Store. And it says design in California, made in China. So you have two of this dual band node. And then the taller one is the tri-band node. So there's also a AC 6600, which has a premium up to 300 megabit per second. This one is 200 megabit. And that one has a AC 2200 TB 3 nodes. This one has one of the AC 2200 one node, and the other one is dual band, which is a AC 1200 2 nodes. So this one cover up to 5 plus bedroom home up to 6,000 square feet, and the AC 4600 cover 3 to 4 bedroom home up to 5,000 square feet. And right here is the specification right here. Here's the back side. So it's set up in minutes, gets better all the time. Designed to fit anywhere, keep your family safe, future-proofing Wi-Fi. So let's go ahead and open this up. How do you open this? Oh my God. So tricky. Wow, look at that. That's like a foam or padding right here. And you got two of this blue pull tab. Wow, look at that. So nice. Here's a connection. It's a 12 volt. And you have the two of the Ethernet adapter. So on the bottom, you got the on and off switch. And then there's a reset button right there. You got the rubber feet on the edge. This is a silicone rubberized material. Got the nice Linksys. And here's a setup guide. Come with the toe node power cord, and then the short node power cords. And Ethernet cable. Choose your first node. So I would need to go to my option B, since I have a Wi-Fi router and modem all in one. So if you have one's modem, one's a wireless router, then you gotta go with the choice A. So the dot right here is the LED light, or the no light. So it has a blue, purple, red, or yellow indicator. So let's go and then check out the accessory. Well, let me take out the toe node. So basically it's the same thing. So this one is tri-band instead of the dual band like that. So this side is mesh. And this one's kind of like a rougher material. I'm sure about this side. Yeah, I got the same rough material on this side as well. And you go through the cable to hook up through here, the opening. So there you go. You have two other Ethernet adapter right there, and then a 12-volt DC. Got the reset red button right there on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side is on and off switch. So this one there's no rubber feet, so it might be slippery if you put on like a non-slip surface. So this one's the tall node adapter. Wow, pretty big. It's the adapter. So this one's the 12 volt with a 2.0 amp. And then this one is the short node. So the short node only has 12 volt and then 1.0 amp. So the charger is made in Cambodia. So it's a big one. And then here's another one for the short node. And then finally you got this Ethernet cable, RJ45. Well, anyway, this is all the unboxing that I have for you guys. Hopefully you guys like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for the complete setup for these units. I'll see you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.